Welcome to AutoCAD Designing. In this video, we understand the difference between real threads and cosmetic threads in Solidworks. Just start the part drawing. Select any plane which you want. Draw the circle of diameter 20 with the origin point. Extrude this up to 100 mm. I change the material for looking better. I applied brush steel material. Now we make real threads at one side on this shaft. Select the thread tool. Select this shaft end for the location of the threads. Enter the thread length as blind value 50 mm. Select thread type metric die for the external threads. Select the size of the thread, M20 by 1.5 pitch. Select the thread method, cut thread for the external threads and extrude thread for the internal threads. Leave another value by default and click on OK. Now see, we make a real thread on this shaft. Just save this drawing with any file name. As you like. I just save this ext. Now open a new drawing and select a drawing sheet. Select any one sheet template. Import the recently saved part. I just increase the scale. Now notice here, in this sheet drawing, we get a real thread view. As per the engineering 2D drawing, we just show two lines for threading. But here we couldn't specify this instead of real threads. Come back to the model. Now we make cosmetic threads at another end of the shaft. Open menu, select Insert, then Annotations, and here we got the cosmetic thread option. Select this edge for the thread location. Select the thread standard ANSI metric. Type machine threads. Select the size of the thread, M20 by 1.5 pitch. Select blind option for the thread length. Enter the thread length as you required. Enough for this. Just click on OK. Here we find a dotted circle for the cosmetic thread. Just save the part and see what happens with the drawing sheet. Wait for the updated drawing sheet. Notice here, as we required the cosmetic thread is visible with the dimension note. And see here two lines appear as we show in engineering drawing, and here are the details of threads. Back to part drawing. And just edit the cosmetic thread feature. Now I change the thread length as 30 mm. Just click on OK and save the part model. Switch to the drawing sheet and wait for an updated drawing. Now see, here we got thread length and line. So, we can give the dimension of this thread length. Here is the difference between a real thread and a cosmetic thread. Now we enable the shaded cosmetic view. Back to part drawing. Go to Option, select the document, and Detailing, and here is the option Shaded Cosmetic Threads. If you could not find the cosmetic thread option in Annotations, so, you can enable this by the check this box. Just click on OK. Now see, Cosmetic threads are visible in the shaded view. Just save this part model and switch to the drawing sheet. Now, I import this 3D view of this part. Increase the view scale, like 1:1, and set the view as shaded. Then click on OK. Oops, nothing happened here with the cosmetic threads. Don't worry, follow previously same steps. Go to Option. Select the document. Then Detailing. Check the box of shaded cosmetic threads. You have to enable this for every document if you require this. You can represent threads on a part, assembly, or drawing. Also, you can follow the same method for the internal threads. You can add cosmetic threads to conical holes. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.